Hello, welcome to Ellie Toys. I have got a dots kit to open up today. This is quite clearly a box full of cupcakes. However, it is labelled as a creative party kit. So, you choose what you think that this is. Me? I think it's a box full of cupcakes, but obviously Lego is aiming it to be used as like a party activity. So you can get your own little cupcake, fill it with goodies, and you can decorate the top. Or you can just hoard all the cupcakes to yourself, which is what I'm going to do. So this has 623 pieces. It is $40 here in Australia, so it'd be lots of fun as a party game or a party activity. There are some stickers so you can customize your creation. And talking of customizing your creation, that's the entire point of dots. So there are some inspiration ideas here, but no instructions as such, unless they're on this here. Nope, this is just more stuff. This is what you do. Yeah, I suppose that is kind of instructions. So there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 of these packs which are identical, and there's this one which is not. This one's got all the candles and the little keys for taking the dot bits off, and here are the cupcakes, and if there are 8 packs, I'm going to assume that there are 8 little cupcake bases. So let's check, because otherwise someone's going to be crying and sad. So we have got, they don't actually stack into each other, which is a bit of a sadness. We got 3 yellow ones, we got 2 pink ones, and we've got 3 mint ones. So if you wanted a pink one, you're going to have to get in really, really early because we don't have an even amount of colours. But we do have a pack for each one. So we are opening up one pack to see how it goes, how this all goes together. So you can imagine you are the person who has got one cupcake. You get to decorate it. But you have to share this other pack that I've just opened with everybody else. Once again, I said I'm not sharing, so. Okay, so we have 3 keys, which are for taking off the little tiny bits so you can redecorate. We got some, coral-coloured candles. That was hard. Coral-coloured candles. We got 4, hold on, I didn't count them. There are not enough here for everybody to have a lot. So the candles are going to be a highly sought-after item. And we've got our white, round plate. Yep, that's the word I was looking for, which we're going to decorate. And I'm going to put a pineapple in the middle of this one because I love pineapples, and this pineapple is especially happy. And because I have just thought about what I want to fill my cupcake with. So now I just need to get my creative juices going. Help me and see whether I can, there are just infinite amount of choices of how I could decorate this. I like the ombre of that, and I want to put it along. No, I can't because I don't have enough pale yellow pieces, I don't think, in my pack. So I'm going to put some coral ones on the end of these little facing ones. Still looks so pretty. And some turquoise little side bits here, and I'm going to make another one facing it, I think, because I don't have enough turquoise pieces in my single pack to be able to do turquoise in all the corners. So I'm going to do turquoise, pink, mint, and blue. So I've used, lots of colours. Just makes it better. And these holy studs are for us to stick the candles in. So I have taken 4 candles to myself, which is rather selfish, but once again, remember, this is all mine now. So I can have all the candles I want, but you can't really have 4 on every cupcake because that wouldn't be fair. And I've put candles in them and, flames in them, and now I'm excited. So I think I'm going to choose a mint cupcake base, and now I'm going to fill it with pineapples. So I'm putting pineapples in it. Pineapple lollies. Yum. I want to squish more in there, but I don't think it's going to fit. So I'll just eat this one. Yep. So now this is full of pineapples. And my mouth is full of pineapples. And I'm going to open another case of solid pineapple. Yep, good. Oh yeah, and I've opened up another packet so that we can do this all over again. But I'm not going to do this for all of them. That would be insane. So I'm going to use some of the frosting pieces for this particular design. And now I've got what's left over of the first pack at my disposal, plus all of what's in the second pack. So I've got a lot more than you'd have just if you had one pack per everybody. So I don't have to share. Have I mentioned that a few too many times? I think that sounds a bit concerning. But no, I'm not sharing this. This is all for me. Every single cupcake is like my dream, my childhood dream. All of the cupcakes are for me. I'm going to eat them all and get really, really sick. That's why you should always share your cupcakes. I want to change some of these out. I want to, because there's too much dark brown and there's not enough yellow, and I love yellow. So let's put these dark browns out too and put some more little yellow quartz. There are just so many ways that you could decorate these. Put it on a yellow cupcake base and, now hold on, can I get this on? Yeah, I can. Hooray for me. And I can fill this one with, what will I fill this with? I don't know. I've run out of things. All I have in the house are pineapple lollies. I could fill it with, I don't know, broccoli from the crisper, but that's not so exciting. Let's see what else we can do for another design. I'm going to use a crown on here for a yes queen kind of cupcake. And now what'll I do? Let's use some more frosting. Frosting. It's a bit of a shame I can't build up the centerpiece. I want to build, I could do that with my other Lego pieces, but I can't do it with what I actually have in the set. And I want to kind of curve these all the way around and use all of the colors all the way around. And I wonder if I can do this by also covering all of the available studs on the top. I think I can. So we got coral and we got turquoise. It's going to be like a rainbow snake all the way around, except not the actual colours of the rainbow. Just rainbow as in really super colourful, but not rainbow actual colours. So I think I've echoed the colours. I think, kind of echoed the colours. Kind of. Oh, I am echoing the colours. Sometimes I can't tell this until after I step back and I look at it where I've actually made errors. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. That makes such a gorgeous frame. And I've got some spots I can put some extra frosting on, because you can never have enough frosting. That's what you think until you eat all the frosting, and then you discover you really can have too much frosting and you feel really sick. So we'll put some blue bits on the outside. That just looks adorable. And I'm going to use one of these coveted pink cupcake bases. And I don't know, well, let's just put the spare pieces in here. This would be a great place to store all the spare pieces. It's going to take me forever to put all these in one by one. That's enough. That's enough for demonstration purposes. Now, there are studs on the bottom of this. Can I stack these? Is my question. I mean, seriously, logically, if there are studs on the bottom and studs on the top of the other thing, I should be able to stack them. So look at that. I can make a little display. I can make a cupcake display with all of my cupcakes that I'm not sharing. Oh, awesome. Or can I stack them like centered wise? I mean, I should. Like not centered as in smell, as in centered in the middle. Yeah, I can. I have to, it doesn't do it very well. It's actually really hard because they're bendy. You're putting it on a bendy plate. Oh, that's pretty. Now that makes me think that I should be able to decorate them and just have to leave that center bit undecorated, and then I should be able to put the other cupcakes on top and it should kind of float. I wonder. Let's put all these little circles on. Let's put colorful circles, like Smarties, but Smarties that you can't eat, which is such a betrayal. But still, I had to open another packet because I ran out of colours to match. Oh, I have all the packets. I have all the power. What else? We got purple here. Have I put too many pastels next to each other? Ah, the decisions. So many decisions. Look, there's too many pastels in a row, but that's okay. Let's see. I should logically be able to... I mean, I can kind of sit it on the top, but why can't I stick that down? Okay, I cannot... I don't think... I should... Surely I should be able to stick this on here. Why can I not? What have I done wrong? I mean, I know there's tiles underneath, but they're smooth and that should be the right kind of height. Am I just delusional? Maybe it's... I don't think it's a full... I don't know. I don't know. I give up. I'm giving up because I think I've done that incorrectly. I haven't given up quite yet. I'm still going to try and shove it on. Maybe if I shove it a bit more. No. Okay, so we can put them on without decoration. So maybe if we just stack them on and then... I don't want to do it this way though. I don't want to just have to decorate the little bits that can't even use the frosting because the slope, the outward slope won't let me put the frosting on. So we can only use the, yeah, okay. So yeah, I was delusional to think that I could make the flat bits go underneath, but I can't see why I shouldn't have been able to. I need to look at it closer. So we've covered some of these exposed studs. Keep trying to put the frosting on because, you know, I am eternally optimistic, even though I'm wrong. And what are we going to do here? Let's alternate all of these browns. Delicious browns. Num, num, num. And then let's put them all back on. They don't stack happily, but they do stack. So So it's good to know that you can stack your cupcakes if you're hoarding them all to yourself. Okay, this is super fun. The point of this obviously is as party favors, but you don't have to do it how the box says. You can do whatever you want with your cupcakes. If you buy them, you can eat them all, or don't, because they will make you feel sick and these are Lego and you shouldn't eat them. So don't eat them, but do have fun decorating them. Okay, I've lost it. And now I'm gonna I'm blaming the pineapple. I'm blaming the pineapple lolly. Right, subscribe, do all of the things, check back in. There's more stuff. I'm off to eat my non-cupcakes. Man, I want frosting now. Who's got frosting? I want frosting. Okay.